Hello KGE, welcome back. Today we are going to revise 110 and also learn how to make 110 and 1 extra, that is 11. So let's start the revision first. Today you will understand the place value in a fun way. You will strengthen numerical skills of counting and quantification of number. Now children, look at tens and ones house. You remember? In one's house, all the 9 friends came to do party. And when there was one extra friend, and he wanted to join the party, there was no place. And remember, Ten's house was locked. But then he knocked and he went to the 10th house because one's house was full. So he requested 10's house to open the lock. And 10's house opened the lock and let the extra come in. Now you know that 10's house has 10 numbers of smileys. Look how all the 10 friends went to 10's house to do party because the single one was waiting and he called all his friends back to 10's house. So now the 10's house has 10 friends, 10 smileys. And do you see anyone in one's house? No, one's house is empty. One's house खाली है, उसमें कोई भी नहीं है. So now you know 10's house has 10. So how we going to write 10? Look at Amar ma'am has written. Very good, my children. 110 and 0 extra. There is nobody in one's house, so 0. So it is 10. Today we will learn how. Now children, see. The 10th house has 10 smileys. So it becomes 110. Do you see anything in one's house? No, it's empty. खाली है. कुछ भी नहीं है. 0 extra. Now, one more smiley comes and he says, I want to be friends. Will he go to 10's house? No, because 10's house is already full. वो already 110 है. वहाँ पे उसके लिए जगह नहीं है. So he stays at one's house. Now it has become 1 extra क्योंकि वहाँ पे one's के house में एक extra smiley आ गया है. So we have 110 and 1 extra smiley. It becomes 11. Very good, my children. So we will say 110 and 1 extra is 11. Now at home, when you practice with money, the coins, if you have 10 coins in 10th house, you replace it with 1 10 rupee note. And do you see anything in one's house? No. Is there anything extra? No. So it is only 10. 1 10. Now we have to make it 11. So knock knock, knock knock. 1 rupee coin extra we need. So 1 rupee coin comes in one's house. Will it go to 10's house? No, because 10's house has 10 coins. So it is already full. It is 110 already. So the 0 that is 10 earlier becomes 1 now. Because वहाँ पे एक और 1 रुपी कॉइन आ गया है जो एक्स्ट्रा है. अब हम कैसे बोलेंगे? Now we will say 110, 1 extra is 11. Now this is your practice worksheet. You make it at home with mama, but you will need 2 tens and one's house. One for the coin practice and one for the writing number practice. So the material that you require is 1 rupee coins, that is 10 in number. Parents, please disinfect the coins and rupees before you give it to the child. 1 10 rupee note, 1 plain paper to make tens one's house as shown, marker pen to write tens and one's house. Every day you do the practice of making one's tens and 11, and do not forget to post your videos and photographs. All the best.